ready to turn a small investment into a serious portfolio. Let's dive in. Building wealth isn't just for the super rich. It's something anyone can achieve with the right knowledge and a bit of action. I've seen so many people reach financial freedom through smart investing, and today I'm going to share some of those game-changing strategies with you. One of the biggest roadblocks people hit when trying to build wealth is just not knowing where to start. You look at stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto. It's a lot, right? It's totally normal to feel overwhelmed. Then there's the fear of making a mistake or watching the market go up and down like a roller coaster. It can be intimidating, even for seasoned pros. I've seen friends and family get stuck in this exact spot, paralyzed by fear. But guess what? With a solid plan, you can push right past it. Another huge myth is that you need a mountain of cash to start investing. So many people think, I'll invest when I'm rich. But that's backward. The truth is, even small, consistent investments can grow into a fortune over time. The real secret sauce is starting early and sticking with it. For instance, just investing $100 a month can blossom into a massive portfolio over a few decades. It's not about how much you start with, it's about the habit you build. Of course, the fear of losing money is real. Nobody likes to see their hard-earned cash disappear. But here's the thing, with a smart strategy, you can seriously reduce those risks. A powerful tool for this is diversification. Think of it like this. You would unbet your entire life savings on a single lottery ticket, right? So why put all your investment money in one place? Spreading your investments across different assets like stocks, bonds, and maybe even a little real estate cushions. If one area takes a hit, it's about not putting all your eggs in one basket. Another fantastic strategy is called dollar cost averaging. This sounds fancy, but it's super simple. You just invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say every month, no matter what the market is doing. Some months you'll buy when prices are high, and other months you'll buy when they're low. Over time, it averages out, and you avoid the stress of trying to perfectly time the market, which, let's be honest, is nearly impossible. This simple habit keeps you consistent and takes the emotion out of investing. Let me tell you about a real-life example that shows how powerful this is. I know an investor who started putting just $500 a month into a diversified portfolio. They didn't have a huge lump sum, just a commitment to invest that $500 every single month. They did this for 20 years, through all the market's ups and downs. And you know what happened? The power of compounding took over. Their small, regular investments snowballed into a seriously impressive nest egg, enough to provide a comfortable retirement. This wasn't luck. It was the result of a disciplined strategy. The key takeaway here is that patience and persistence are your investing superpowers. These strategies aren't secrets. They're proven methods that work. Diversification protects you, dollar cost averaging keeps you disciplined, and starting early gives your money the time it needs to grow exponentially. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building lasting wealth, step by step. Anyone, and I mean anyone, can do this with the right approach and mindset. It's about being the tortoise, not the hare. Slow and steady really does win the race. So, let's recap the core principles. First, start now. Don't wait for the perfect time or for a big windfall. Your future self will thank you for every single dollar you invest today. Second, be consistent. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account so it becomes a non-negotiable part of your budget. Treat it like any other bill. Third, diversify your portfolio to manage risk. A mix of different asset types will help you weather market storms. And finally, embrace a long-term perspective. Don't panic during market dips. In fact, those can be great opportunities to buy more at a discount if you're using dollar cost averaging. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but by staying informed and sticking to your plan, you can navigate them successfully. The financial world can seem complex, but at its heart, the principles of successful investing are surprisingly simple. It's about discipline, patience, and letting time do the heavy lifting for you. You have the power to create the financial future you want. You just have to take that first step. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What have your experiences with investing been like? The good, the bad, the lessons learned, share them in the comments below. Your story could be the inspiration someone else needs to get started. And if you found this helpful, be sure to check out my other videos for more tips on managing your money and making smart investment choices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you soon.